And here's I will show you how to add a back to top button or auto scroll to top button in a WordPress website. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and then go to add new plugin page. In the search plugins box, type here back to top and search for it. And here you will find a bunch of different plugins for scroll to top. In my case, I'm going to use this WPFront Scroll top plugin. Once the plugin activated, in this left-hand menu, hover over on settings and click on scroll top, and you directly jump into the plugin settings page or dashboard. Here, first of all, enable the plugin by checking this box, and then let's save changes. And now let's open our WordPress website once more, scrolling down all the way to the bottom, and here we can see the back to top button add date. By clicking on this button, I can easily access my WordPress website header section, just like so. And now, in order to edit this back to top button, go to the plugin settings, and here you can change scroll offset, button size, button opacity, button fade duration. You can add a duration here, and scroll down. Button style, you can select image button or text button or font awesome icon button. Button action, here select scroll to top, and button location, you can select a location, bottom right, bottom left, or top right, top left. And here we can see button image. From this available image section, you can go ahead and select a custom button, or you can add here a button link or URL to add. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.